We have yung bata kami.
It's a boring day today, guys. Buti na lang happy hour dito sa Santo Titos. Wine all you want for 599 and buy one take one ng cocktails from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Located sila sa second floor ng CKB Center Tomas Moratos, Cautralios, Quezon City. Ang maganda dito, guys, as early as 6 p.m. meron ng live band. At dahil tita levels na tayo, mag-start tayo ng maaga para makauwi tayo ng maaga. We started our night with the buy one take one cocktails. Kahit naka-promo, guys, ang sarap ng timpla. Must try yung salty Santo Titos, yung whiskey sour, and yung lychee martini. Ang sarap. Don't let your friends drink alone. So tonight, sinama ko yung mga plastikong friends. And yes, sobrang sinulit namin yung 599 wine all you want nila. As in, nakalimang glass yata ako. Kaya ito, ang kukulit na namin. Iba talaga nagagawa ng alak, di ba? Masarap lang talaga uminom with friends at ang saya ng vibe dito. Hindi pwedeng puro inom lang tonight, so umorder na rin kami ng food. And guys, in fairness, ang sarap ng pagkain nila dito. I highly recommend na subukan nyo yung kinilaw na tuna at hipon. Sobrang sarap ng coconut shrimp in alige. Ang sarap din ng cebu lechon belly at ang social na shrimp smoked fish pizza. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung food and drinks at naging friends pa nga namin yung kabilang table.
That's